Hi, this video is about the Nova Lightweight Ultra Compact Transport Chair. In fact, it arrives to you in a compact box just like this, one that you can actually carry. It's our only transport chair where the wheels are removable, making it great for travel, transporting, and storing in small spaces. The wheels attach and detach so easily and quickly in just a couple of minutes with no tools required. The first step is to pick up the frame, and you're going to rest it upside down so the armrests are on the ground, and you're going to open it up so the back and the arms are towards you. Then you're going to install the front wheels. And you're going to notice a push button on the front wheel. You're going to want the push button to go towards the lower hole. It will pop through, and then you're going to insert the start knob and turn that all the way through and make sure it's nice and tight. And for the back wheels, you're going to want the brake handle facing outward and the curb pedal facing you, and then insert it through the tube, and again have it go through the lower hole and make sure that push button comes out. And then you're going to insert the start knob on the higher hole and turn it all the way through and make sure it's nice and tight. And do the same thing for the other side. Now you will pick up the transport chair and set it on all four wheels. Pull up on the handle so it clicks into place, and then open up the transport chair. Now I just have to install the footrests. So there's going to be one footrest for either side, and you're going to want the foot plate to face inward. You will see two hanger bars here with two holes. Those holes will go into the pins, and then you're just going to swing inward and it locks the footrest into place. Now this footrest is adjustable, and you just have to release the locking knob behind it, push the button, and then tighten to the adjustment. Now there's so many great features of this transport chair. It comes with these very comfortable padded arms, and the arms are sloped down, and that makes it easy to push the transport chair up to a dining table or a desk. So we call these desk or dining arms. The back here, we've got locking brakes. So then you can lock the wheels and also lock this transport chair in a parked position. And then folding the transport chair is so easy. You simply remove the footrest by lifting out that lever, and then to fold it, you just pull up on these tabs and then pull down on the handles and then lift up on the upholstery, and there you go. You can see how lightweight and easy it is to carry and transport this lightweight transport chair. And of course, with all of Nova products, it comes with their care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.